I got it out and plugged in, and we are gonna do, so it says to do 60 grams. It's kind of like a little bit less than a half a cup. We're just gonna do almonds. And then it says water. The guy that I watched, he said to put it between the minimum or medium and max. So, oh, that was actually perfect. It was this. Now let's see. We're gonna see how this comes out. Could butcher it. Oh, all right. All right, you wanna put the top on, and they say make sure that lines up. And then we want to go to nut milk and press start, and it goes for 8 minutes. That's so cool. So it like starts and stops because I guess it's like cooking throughout the process. All right, let's see. We have milk.
Wait, I want to
Dude, there's milk in there. Look, it's legit milk.
Is that hot?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Oh my!
Shut up! Wait.
Crazy.
No, it's not hot. You're gonna taste it first.
I'm so nervous.
Just taste it.
This isn't mine, by the way. This is Lexi's.
What?
I didn't go drink.
It tastes like almond milk.
Shut up. Oh, I forgot. You can add vanilla.
Oh, that would be good.
Make a
Making
coffee.
a coffee. Oh,
They're
now
good
I'm
friends,
making a
huh?
mess.
All right.
Freshly
Put it in.
frothed fresh almond milk.
Oh, no. Look at that.
Whoa.
That's so cool.
Yum.
Look at
I
that.
bet that's delicious.
That's so yummy. So one bag makes like 6 batches. You guys, look at how much milk. That was just from one. And then to clean it, you just fill it with water and go around, and there's a clean button. That simple.